Example problem 8 reads, how many kilograms are in 5.0 times 10 to the 5th milligrams? The first thing that we always do is figure out what we are starting with. And so the problem tells us we're starting with 5.0 times 10 to the 5th milligrams. The second thing that we always do is figure out what we're converting to, and that's kilograms, which is kg. This is a two-step problem because we're going from something with a prefix, which is milligrams, to something else with a prefix, which is kilograms. We have to go to that base unit first that both of the units share, which is grams. So you have to go to the unit that milligrams and kilograms share before you can convert to grams. So since this is a multi-step equation, draw your multiplication symbol, draw your division bar, bring milligrams to the denominator to cancel, and put grams on top. Draw another multiplication symbol, draw another division bar, bring grams to the bottom to cancel, and then you can finally convert to kilograms. So we give the 1 to the thing with the prefix, which is milli, the metric system constant for milli to the base unit, which is grams. The metric system constant for milli is 1 times 10 to the minus third. Going over to the second part, give the 1 to the thing with the prefix, which is kilograms, and the metric system constant for kilo to the base unit, which is 1 times 10 to the third. And so milli cancels out, the base unit grams cancels out, and you're left in kilograms, which is what the problem asks us for. So in our calculators, we're now ready to type 5.0 times 10 to the 5th. And so I'll write down what it looks like in my calculator. 5.0 e to the 5th times 1 times 10 to the minus third, so 1 e to the minus 3, divided by 1 times 10 to the third, so divided by 1 e to the 3. And so when you press the equal sign, that equals 0.5 kilograms.